Today, we're tackling the grower's biggest nightmare in hydroponics. That's right, root rot. Specifically in recirculating deep water culture or RDWC systems. The good news? The power to stop it is entirely in your hands. What is root rot and what does it look like? Root rot, often caused by water molds like Pythium, is a destructive fungal infection that thrives in hydroponics. It essentially suffocates your plant. First, let's talk about the symptoms. A healthy root system in RDWC should be a beautiful pearly white, sometimes a light cream color, and it should have a fresh, earthy smell. When root rot strikes, you will see a dramatic change. Color. The roots turn brown, dark gray, or even black. Texture. They become slimy, mushy, and feel like wet spaghetti. Smell. Your reservoir will start to smell foul, like a stagnant swamp or decaying matter. Plant symptoms. Above the water, your plants will show signs of severe nutrient deficiency. Root rot is an environmental disease. It doesn't magically appear. It's a pathogen that takes advantage of poor conditions. Preventing it in RDWC relies on three critical controls. Temperature control. The number one trigger for root rot is high water temperature. Warm water simply cannot hold enough dissolved oxygen. You must keep your nutrient solution between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. In a recirculating system, this is easier with a water chiller in your central reservoir. For small spaces, you can use frozen water bottles swapped out daily, but a chiller is the most reliable investment. Hyperoxygenation. RDWC is already well aerated, but roots need maximum oxygen to fight off pathogens. If using air stones, ensure your air pump is powerful enough for the size of your system and that the air stones are bubbling aggressively. The constant, high oxygen levels in a well-chilled reservoir create an aerobic environment. One that Pythium simply cannot survive in. Absolute cleanliness. RDWC's interconnected nature means one infected plant can wipe out your entire crop. Sanitize everything. Before every new grow cycle, completely empty the system and clean all buckets, pipes, and pumps with a diluted bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or a chemical sterilizing agent. Never allow light to reach your nutrient solution. Use opaque buckets and ensure your net pot lids block all light to prevent algae, which is a key food source for root rot pathogens. A highly effective preventative strategy is to introduce an army of good bacteria called beneficial microbes into your system. These products colonize the roots and the reservoir. They physically outcompete the bad pathogens for food and root space, forming a protective shield. Many commercial growers swear by this biological approach because it works proactively to keep the root zone healthy and balanced. Use these products every time you change your water or top up your reservoir. If you identify root rot, you have to act immediately and aggressively. Remove all plants from the system. Rinse the roots gently with clean, cool water. Using sterile scissors, cut away all the visibly brown, slimy, and mushy roots. You are cutting off the diseased portion to save the healthy core. Drain the entire system. Then run a strong sterilizing flush, like a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution, through the whole system. Refill the reservoir with a fresh, cool, half-strength nutrient solution. Add a higher than normal dose of your beneficial bacteria product or a curative dose of food-grade hydrogen peroxide. The H2O2 will kill the remaining pathogens and then break down into water and extra oxygen, giving the roots a boost. Put the plants back, ensure your water temperature is perfect, and monitor the roots daily for new, white growth. Have you suffered from root rot in the past? Are you dealing with a root rot problem currently? How have you treated root rot in the past? Let us know down in the comments. Root rot is a management challenge, not a death sentence. By controlling your water temperature, maximizing oxygen, maintaining a sterile environment, and using beneficial microbes, you can prevent Pythium from ever taking hold. Keep those roots white, the water cool, and your RDWC system will reward you with exceptional, healthy growth. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, Harvest Watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.